Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to play double strokes. So the basic movement is similar to single strokes. However, the difference is that when you play double stroke, the second tap is a different motion. So first of all, you drop the stick and then it bounces and it kind of rises up here. And at the same time, your hand feels that your stick kind of like hits back against the fingers, okay? Can you see? This part of the stick will kind of go down as it bounces. Now, the second tap, the second stroke, should be bounced back with your fingers and wrist. Trying to use your wrist first, okay, to raise your hand. The first and second sound should be about the same, but at the beginning, really focus on the second sound. A bit harder. And when you get used to it, even out the sound. But first, do not play too fast. Okay, take your time and start slowly. I would probably practice about in 60 per crochet in quavers. And when you play this slowly, do not rush. It's very easy to rush. So use your metronome, play really accurately and mechanically. And again, the same as single strokes, try to play with different dynamics. So sometimes quiet. Okay, and as you get more comfortable, you can play much faster. When you play really fast, it all sounds like a snare drum roll. I recommend you to practice really slowly first and really make sure that you're using the right technique. And don't think, if you're a beginner, don't think you can play this in one night. I would certainly spend at least a few weeks trying to master this technique. Do not rush and be patient and always set goals, okay? I'd always take notes every day for what I've done so that you know what to do next day. So, okay, just try your best.